नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे साथियों, क्या हाल है। आज रविवार है और मौसम भी अच्छा है, तो चलिए आज कुछ हिंदी पढ़ते हैं। इन द प्रीवियस लेसन वी लर्न द नेम्स ऑफ सम प्रोफेशंस. इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न सम वर्ब्स दैट आर यूज्ड व्हाइल टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोफेशंस. हैव अ लुक एट दीज सेंटेंसेस. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach हिंदी. मैं योग सिखाती हूँ. I teach yoga, spoken by a female. See? मैं टैक्सी चलाता हूँ. मैं टैक्सी चलाता हूँ. I drive taxi. मैं एक दुकान चलाता हूँ. मैं एक दुकान चलाता हूँ. I run a shop. In the previous lessons, we have learnt the verbs padhna, which means study or to read, seekhna, which means to learn, and chalna, which means to move or to walk. Now we can see the verbs padhana, sikhana, and chalana. Let's know more about these verbs. In Hindi, verbs exist in a set of three: chalna, chalana, chalwana. And what do they mean? Chalna means to move. This verb is used to show different types of movements. For example, मैं चलता हूँ. I walk. गाड़ी चलती है. A car moves. पंखा चलता है. A fan moves. So chalna means not stationary. Now comes chalana. Chalana means to cause something or someone to move. To make someone move. Okay. For example, I'm driving a car. I'm causing the car to move. So I would say मैं कार चलाता हूँ. I drive a car. ठीक है, मैं कार चलाता हूँ. I drive a car. मैं एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर हूँ. I am a taxi driver. मैं टैक्सी चलाता हूँ. I drive a taxi. मैं एक ट्रक चालक हूँ. I am a truck driver. मैं ट्रक चलाता हूँ. I drive truck. It can also be used in a different context. For example, I run a shop. मैं दुकानदार हूँ. I'm a shopkeeper. मैं एक दुकान चलाता हूँ. I run a shop. मैं एक व्यापारी हूँ. I'm a businessman or businesswoman. मैं एक कंपनी चलाता हूँ. I run a company. So chalana means to make someone or something to move. मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ. मैं दुकान चलाता हूँ. मैं कंपनी चलाता हूँ. And the next is chalwana, the third degree, which means to make someone drive. I'm telling someone else to drive the car. So in this case, chalwana will be used. But for now, we are going to learn only these two forms and we'll leave this for later. ठीक है. So chalna is to move and chalana is to make someone or something move. In the same way, padhna is to study and padhana is to make someone study, that is to teach. आप लोग हिंदी पढ़ते हैं. You people study Hindi. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach हिंदी. पढ़ना to study, पढ़ाना to teach. आप लोग हिंदी पढ़ते हैं. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. Now comes सीखना and सिखाना. सीखना is to learn and सिखाना means to make someone learn. That is to train someone or to teach something to someone. The difference between padhna padhana and seekhna sikhana is that padhna and padhana are used only in the context of academics, in the context of studies, while seekhna and sikhana can be used for everything. Read these sentences. मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ. I am a teacher. मैं गणित पढ़ाता हूँ और पढ़ाती हूँ if it's a woman. I am a teacher. I teach mathematics. In Hindi, mathematics is called गणित. मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ. मैं गणित पढ़ाता हूँ. I am a teacher. I teach mathematics. मैं योग शिक्षक हूँ. I am a yoga teacher. मैं योग सिखाता हूँ और मैं योग सिखाती हूँ. So, मैं योग शिक्षक हूँ. मैं योग सिखाता हूँ. I am a yoga teacher. I teach yoga. You can also say मैं संगीत शिक्षक हूँ. I am a music teacher. संगीत means music. मैं संगीत सिखाता हूँ और सिखाती हूँ. मैं संगीत शिक्षक हूँ. मैं संगीत सिखाता हूँ. I am a music teacher. I teach music. मैं कथक शिक्षक हूँ. मैं कथक सिखाता हूँ. Kathak is a dance form. It is classical dance of Uttar Pradesh, right? So मैं कथक शिक्षक हूँ. मैं कथक सिखाता हूँ. It's a dance form. I hope that you all have understood the use of chalna, chalana, padhna, padhana, and seekhna, sikhana. To make such verbs, what do? We shift the stress to the next consonant. Okay, we know that in Hindustani, in a word, if there is a long vowel, the stress will stay at the long vowel. So what do we do to shift the stress? We add the long vowel a to the next consonant. So chalna becomes chalana. Chalna, chalana. Padhna, padhana. Banna, banana. So adding the long vowel a to the next consonant shift the stress from the first consonant to the second consonant. In some verbs, the first consonant has the long vowel. So to shift the stress, we first replace that long vowel with a shorter one and then add a to the next consonant. Okay, for example, in Sikhna, E is a long vowel. So what we'll do, we'll replace the long E with a short E and add A to K and make it Sikhana. Seekhna becomes Sikhana. The stress has been shifted. In the same way, Dekhna, to see or to watch, has long vowel A at the first consonant. What we will do is replace A with a short E and add A to K, which makes it Dikhana. Dekhna, Dikhana. Right? So, Seekhna is to learn and Sikhana is to make someone learn, that is to teach. In the same way, Dekhna is to see and Dikhana is to make someone see, that is to show. Right? Seekhna, Sikhana. Dekhna, Dikhana. I hope that after seeing this, you will be able to do the same with other verbs too.
Katna becomes kaatna, not katana. Nikalna becomes nikalna, not niklana. And marna becomes marna, not marana.
One common problem is that the Google Translate uses wrong transliteration, which makes learners pronounce Sikhana instead of Sikhna and Dekhana instead of Dekhna. In the next lesson, we will continue learning about verbs and professions. तो अगले लेसन में फिर मिलेंगे. अच्छे से पढ़िए, ध्यान रखिए. नमस्ते.